Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is IT Master. Today we are going to unbox the Mi 8 Lite global version that came from the Hong Kong in the nice packaging with the US adapter because it has the Euro plug. This is what we got. Yeah, it's very nice and hope it will Mi 8 Lite. Okay, let's move on and start the unboxing. This is the adapter that actually for US, the paper global local warranty. Let's see. Please fill the required information, purchase date, mail to US, replace. Yeah, this is the Mi Phone global local warranty for the US. So let's move on. What we got is Midnight Black, Mi 8 Lite, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 24 megapixel selfie camera, dual camera at the back, 12 and the 5 megapixel, dual pixel autofocus, 1.4 nanopixels, and we have the 660 Snapdragon, which is well known and well performing CPU from the Qualcomm, and the 6.26 full screen display as it used to be called these days. Made in China. Yeah, it is the factory sealed. Let's start the unboxing. Yeah, it has a global version. As you can see, this is the real global version, not the Chinese version with the global ROM. So let's move on. I don't want to tear the plastic. Okay. Let's make it like this. So what we got? This is the, I think here the should be the case. Yeah, there is a USB Type-C to audio jack converter, SIM ejection tool, the booklets, and the black plastic case, silicone case, which will be good for the first taste before you can get the other case. Yeah, this is all global version with all English. And here is the USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it's a Type-C. And Euro plug, which is not, I think this is not a fast charger. Yes, this is 5 volt 2 ampere. This is the standard charger, but this is the European version. Let's move on and start the, yeah, it's very nice black color. It's a glass back. Let's turn on. Let's see if it's okay. Remove the plastic and first put. Let's see. I think this says the MIUI 10. Yeah. No, MIUI 9. but it should be upgraded to MIUI 10. Yes, it has all the languages because it's a global version. And US. Armenia. Let's skip this part. Skip this step, no SIM. Accept. Only screen lock. Let's put the pattern. Okay. Default. Setup complete. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight, and this is good. This is we bought for my friend's daughter, and it is nice. This nice black color, dual cameras, dual SIM, and you can use the SIM tray for either the one SD card one SIM or the double SIM. Loading apps, setup completed. This is it, guys. Hope you like the video. This is the quick unboxing of Mi 8 Lite. Please tell me in the comments if you want to see more for this phone, so we can do the full review later. Yeah, this is, I think it will get a new update. I can put the Wi-Fi on. Let's wait a second. Yeah, as I said, there is a system update. Checking. I think it will get MIUI 10. Bezels are thin. The notch is not that big, but it's good enough. And the bottom size has the thicker chin. But overall, phone feels very nice in the hand. And the fingerprint reader is also there. Yeah, MIUI, let's see. MIUI V10 stable. Okay, let's move on and download that. This is it, guys. This is the quick review of MIUI 8 Lite. Stay well, stay cool. Hit subscribe, share my videos, put your comments under the videos. Thank you for watching and help me to reach the 1000 subscribers this new 2019 year. See you in the next video. Bye bye.